Yep. Soon show you the downlight post. Still at the Hope River in Gordon Town. Thank God for this rail. There is the river. Yep. So, if you've been following us so far, this is the third part of the river that we're showing you. So you see water is coming from way up into the hills, right? Broken down trees, of course, down there in the ravine, battered by the wind. And down the light wires. If you have to traverse this area, please exercise extreme caution. There is a light post down over on the other side of the bridge, and it took down the light wires that are attached to it on this side. So we have down light wires and a down light post in the Garden Town community. May I ask you how you fared out in the storm? Morning. Can I ask you how you fared out in the storm? You don't have to come on camera.
No.
You don't want to answer?
Oh, we were fine.
Okay, you were fine.
No issues at
No
all.
issues.
Yeah.
Nobody lost their house roof.
No,
Nothing.
a couple zincs,
sheets.
yes, and trees.
Okay.
And apart from that, everybody's accounted for. I don't have any problem.
All right. Did anybody have to go to a shelter?
Yeah, man, people go to shelter.
People went to a shelter. All right.
Mostly from Garden Town.
From further up. Okay. All right. God is good to us. Thank you. You're welcome. How did you fare out?
No, man, I'm kind of camera frightened.
You what?
Camera frightened.
Oh. Said he's camera frightened, so thanks for not showing him on the camera. Alright, so this is the other side of the bridge where the light post came down and took down those wires that we showed you earlier. This is the other side of the Hope River. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here is a down light wire, light post that took down the wires. And this is down into the Hope River. Is this the river that empties at Harborview? Okay, yes, I believe so. This is the river that empties at the Harborview Bridge. So yes, we're way up into Garden Town. Well, not way up. The resident who we spoke to just now confirmed reports from the other residents before that the community is fine. A couple people had to go to a shelter, but overall, no loss of property. Just a couple zinc sheets from their roofs, but they are thankful to have life this morning. If you hear our microphone go out, we are not gone. Please stay with us. This is Yaadie Hands. We're going to be going further up the road to further up into Garden Town and see what else is there to show you. We did not cover this community in any of our other lives before, and that's what we're doing today, because we don't want to think they're just, you know, the corporate area of New Kingston of Kingston that matters. We're covering Kingston and St. Andrew as far as we can. If our battery power allows and the internet allows, we will be with you today, and thank you for joining us. If you're in a community that has been affected or impacted by Hurricane Melissa, we want to know how you were impacted, what kind of damage is there, and whether you have electricity, where did it go, was it restored, do you have running water, and so on. All right, so we can keep each other updated and in the loop.